Rahul's class is planning to go on an educational trip. Their teacher gives them the names of 4 places and asks each one of the students to pick one place. She asks them to write their choice on a piece of paper. All students write their choice of the place they prefer to go in a chit, and Rahul collects all the chits from the students. This information written in the chits is called data. Then, teacher asks 4 students to look at all the chits and count how many students have opted for each of the places. The students look at the chits and sort them into 4 groups. Then, they make a table like this. So, by looking at the table, the class decides to visit Nehru Planetarium as most of the children prefer to go there. Let us pause and think. What do you understand so far? Here, they have collected the data of who wants to visit which place. When the data is not organized, it is called raw data. To decide which place to visit, the collected data has been organized. Let us conclude. Data is a collection of raw facts and numbers that give you information. Raw data is difficult to read, so we have to organize it in such a way so that we can use it when in need.